Hey, hi, my name is Manish and I'm one of the certified expert with Claude Claude Code, and the Agentic architecture with Anthropic. In last 1 year, I have done several projects on Agentic AI as well as SaaS development or complete code-based solution for various companies for internal system, administrative systems, and the operating systems. Alongside this, I worked with more than 2,000 clients so far across USA, West Europe, and Australia, and delivered a wide range of automation and AI solutions. I see that you're looking for someone who can assist you with your next AI and Claude project. So here, I would like to quickly demonstrate my experience with Claude with this entire Agentic AI and how I develop large-scale applications and seamless automation with the help of Claude. So here is one of the projects that I recently completed. That is a Singapore-based maid agency, and they help Singapore household to hire maids from various countries like Indonesia, Philippines, and Myanmar. Now, what I did for them, so this entire website is being designed, and all along with this, there is entire operating system for this particular company that's being maintained like this. So this operating system is created inside React, and the entire backend is hosted on Supabase and Node.js. So right here, you can see plenty of different menus about dashboard, user management, audit logs, as well as the request templates, and so many things are there. Now, along with this, the entire base or the whole development was done using Claude Code. When I set up this entire Claude Code project inside VS Code, you can see here it's a balanced architecture being maintained with the best practices. So right here, we have used multiple agents which can help us to do the backend engineering as well as the data migration, the whole schema, the front-end engineering, the integration specialist, and the QA reviewer as well, which reviews the entire code quality. Now, along with this, the entire architecture is being built upfront, so Claude knows at any point how the solution is supposed to be built and what are the core pillars. Obviously, I have planning document, I have the progress tracking document as well, and right here we got plenty of different skills through which this entire solution is going to work. So first is the candidate matching skill, the compliance skill, CSV parser, and so on. And here is the entire code that's being written like this. So this is one of the good projects that was done recently. Second, I would like to introduce you another project that's called Work Witness. Work Witness is a SaaS-based application. It essentially tracks employee activity throughout the entire day on their systems, and it sends a complete report to the manager or the business owner at the end of the day that what their team actually did. So this system tracks everything, and the report is being delivered on WhatsApp as well as on the email. Now, right here itself, you can see different signals are being tracked, and this entire system is tracking various parameters with things right here itself, right? And this is how the summary is being generated. So this project also delivered and built inside Claude itself. Let me try to show you. Right here itself, again, following the best practices. And this is how the backend portal look like. If I go into the portal, you can see here, I can simply log in. So here is the backend of Work Witness and what it does. So it has the complete list of all the employees who are working. And for each one of them, it tracks how many hours they were active, what are their stretch, how many screenshots are taken, switches and all. And here's a complete AI summary, which is supposed to be delivered on WhatsApp as well as email. All the applications being tracked, the top categories, the whole timeline of the day, as well as all the screenshots where this person actually worked throughout the day. So this is a full-length good project and it is live as well. In case you would like to take a look, you can always go and please check out this website. Now, apart from this, I'm also working on one of the live app at this point that's called the operating system. It's a combination of CRM as well as the project management tool, and this system helps this company tracks the entire sales, all deals, contacts, as well as the project milestone timelines, and the whole conversation, everything comes here. This has embedding of Claude SDK. So Claude SDK run through all of these conversations, and it simply puts the entire AI supervision, and it tracks whether any projects is getting derailed or any contact deal is not being followed up and so on. And it automatically create tasks, all the actions for the particular given employee or the team member. And there are plenty of more projects similar to this, which I'm building with the help of Claude Code with the best practices of Agentic AI, the sub-agent skills, as well as the MCP. Now, apart from this, I have a strong command on Claude Cowork as well. Here is one of the example where I established Claude Cowork for a monthly report generation. And right here, this report is supposed to follow multiple steps, and the entire data is being stored on something called monday.com. Now, this is the Monday board for client where they track the entire campaign performance data. They are also tracking the support ticket data, like what all support tickets were raised, how they were, like whether the priority, bugs, category, and the status, and at all they wanted to see what all workflow runs were there, right? Essentially, this is how they maintain the entire Monday data. Now, what this client is looking for is a monthly report into something like this kind of a format, right? So this is supposed to get all the data from monday.com, follow certain steps, certain skills to optimize, comprehend the entire data, and then it should create a report like this. So here is the entire Claude Cowork is being established. Let me quickly show you something like this, which has multiple skills over here, and each of these skills have specific purposes, and this skill supposed to run through the entire data comprehension and the data analytics. Now this also is getting connected with the monday.com. So over here we have plenty of connectors. One of them is monday.com. Now what it does, it essentially follows through this entire format and then finally creates a report something like this. Let me try to show you. So this is Northbridge Capital Partners and it's for April 2026. Executive summary, all these graph chart, everything is created by the Claude Code itself with the most optimal use of the tokens which Shanpu last, right? So over here you can take a look at this entire reporting format, and this reports get automatically delivered to the right people on their Slack channel as well as on email. Finally, I would like to tell you about my automation skills as well. So I run a company which is maid.com platinum partner named GrowStacks, and we are N8N experts as well, building plenty of automation workflows on N8N and Make. Full of you can see over here. So it's a long list of clients that we are managing all across Make.com, almost 700 plus clients, many of them on N8N as well with the agentic AI abilities. So with this entire experience and all the expertise, I would love to work with you on your project and would contribute my skill set to success of your project. Looking forward to hear from you. Thank you.